let's open up some images. Let's find some beautiful images here. Maybe you've got a great photo shoot like this. Double click. I love the way this looks. Photo goes right into the template. Look at this. I'm going to go fast here. Photo Mask 2. Click Add Photo to Template. Find the photo you're working on. Photobacks Control will always go back to the last folder you were in. So if you have photos that you are working on, put them into a particular folder, and this will go super, super fast. I'm going to show you a little trick here with Photobacks Control in a second. Yes, just think about putting this, you have a banquet coming up, as Letitia said, for a marching band banquet. Just think about the people you could honor in this photo, or I'm going to show you how to create multiple variations of this in a second, but just think about who you could add to this and where you could put it and the text you could add, right? Or just use this as the top of a display, and you could literally take the back here and stretch this out, okay? And you could add something down here with text or something totally different at the bottom. And I will just add a solid color in the background, right? And maybe, look, you can already change it like this. But look, in the solid color in the background like this. And you could already add more text or something. And we could resize this for social media or email and add something here. Now this is huge, so you wouldn't want to display this online at this. You want to resize it in a moment, but it's giving you ideas of what you could do with this. So all this is fully customizable. I love that color that came up. So watch this. You can go look at all these layers that are here, right? So I'm going to go down to the background layer again, color picker on that. Click color. Maybe I want to do something with this yellow. I love that vibrancy, right? Look at that. Look at how this all changes. Look, I'm just moving my mouse around. Can you move your mouse around? You can create something fantastic. What about blue, right? What about just going over the entire image and just finding other colors that work? And even that's gorgeous. Finding a tone that you like. This is going to keep it fully bright but saturated. Isn't that fantastic? Say okay. That's all you have to do. Look at how fast I created this amazing display.